So I've been seeing this question online for some time now. I've been popping up on my FYP, so I decided to make a video with this. So I don't know if you'll be so heartless not to subscribe after watching to the end of this video. Well, let's see. So as I was saying, this video have been popping up on my FYP of recent, and people, some other creators, I don't know, they will just solve it, but they will not really get to the end, and they will not really give you the thing you really need. They will just solve it to halfway, then they will just stop. But mass pro don't do such. I'll give you the actual solution, and I'll tell you if this problem really have a solution or not. Okay, so now let's start solving it. Now I'll start solving it using the general method of solving the linear, because this is actually a linear equation. So I'll solve it with the general knowledge of solving linear equation. So we all know that solving equation like this, I would like to subtract key from both sides, or I'll just move key here. So doing that, I'll have key plus 9 minus key will be equal to 0. So now key minus key is 0. I'm just left with 9 equal to 0. And 9 cannot be equal to 0. 9 can never be equal to 0. So this is the mistake they will always do. Then they'll solve the real way. So now let me solve the real way, and let me solve the way they solve too. So this is the real way. K plus 9 is equal to k. I would like to square both sides of the equation. I would like to square both sides. So just follow me, and just follow me. So in squaring both sides now, I have k plus 9 into k plus 9 will be equal to k squared. And now to expand this, k times k is k squared. K times this is 9k. 9 times k is 9k. And then 9 times 9 is 81. Will be equal to k squared. So I can move k squared here, and then k squared minus k squared will, k squared minus k squared plus 9k plus 9k is 18k plus 81 will be equal to 0. P is already out. Now 18k will be equal to minus 81. So now I can divide both sides by 18. This cancel this, and then k will be equal to, now we'll go here 2 times, and now we'll go here 9 times, minus 9 over 2. So other creators, they will just stop here, then they will see k is equal to minus 9, then they will just say, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and make sure you follow me or you subscribe. They will just stop here. But me, I want to check whether this minus 9 over 2 is really correct. So now this is outside the box. So now let's check whether minus 9 over 2 is really correct. So if I put minus 9 over 2 in place of k, I'll have minus 9 over 2 plus 9 will be equal to minus 9 over 2. It must be equal to minus 9 over 2. Once it's not minus 9 over 2, then you just know what will happen next. So if I solve this now, normal fraction, the LCM is just 2. 2 go here 1 time, 1 into this is 1 time, this is this, minus 9. Here I'll have 18 minus 9 over 2. So 18 minus this is 9. So 9 over 2 minus 9 over 2. So are they the same? No, they are not the same. 9 over 2 is not equal to minus 9 over 2. So this is to say this particular problem has no solution. So that's it. This particular problem have no solution. There is no solution to this problem. There is no way you can solve it. If you know that you can solve it and give me the solution, drop in the comment section. And if I can, so this is your answer, enter the equation, and your answer is correct, I'm going to tell you to drop your account number, then I'll transfer this amount to your account as big as 100,000 naira used to the power of 0 into your account, so you can see it with your eyes. So if you can get the answer as me have solved now, the answer is not the same. There's no way you can get it. So if you can get the answer, I will not tell you to subscribe. Just comment it. Comment your answer and drop your answer in the comment section. And you see, so that's it. So you have seen now there's no solution to this problem. So that's just it. In fact, don't subscribe if you don't want to subscribe. Just I beg.